Okay, so we are still in the View subdivision, and if not in it, then near it. That's the house I was just at, like over there, in that different street. The Clark, which was the one with the dual master suite. And that was by McKee, which is like a new up and coming builder. It's local to the area. This is a different house, the Fairfield Craftsman, and it's by Dickerson. So we saw a lot of Dickerson houses last year that I remember we really liked, and it's a gold winner, which is really interesting. I always love to see like the ones that are winning in their class. So we got another huge 3-car garage, another cute porch. I can see why they call it the Craftsman. Very cute, very cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, so we got formal dining room when you walk in. First floor guest room. So the last one had a really like contemporary looking electric fireplace. And this one is like more in the style of like a traditional fireplace. Still electric though. So you get the convenience of an electric fireplace, but like the look of a traditional one with like a mantle. It's got a screened in porch, which is good for mosquitoes. Ooh, and you have this other outdoor area. Looks like a fire pit. That's fun. I love a fire pit. Eat-in kitchen. This is pantry space. Oh, so this was where you come in from the garage. You put your stuff here. And I guess, this is the pantry. So this is where you come after you grocery shop. You put all the stuff in here. And then you got full bath next to this room. They have it as an office, but the sign says it's a good first floor guest room, even though they have it staged as an office. I've noticed a lot of people, if there is like a formal dining room, will instead make that an office space, because a lot of people don't use formal dining rooms these days. So I do though like the idea of an office that is closed off from the rest of the house, because I have a lot of Zoom meetings. Okay, dining room, living room, right, and got these wood stairs. Okay, so this is the second floor, and you've got this bedroom. It's a pretty good size. A lot of closet space. And this is the secondary bedroom. It's a big one. And this is also a huge, huge bedroom with like a double door. This makes me wonder if this is a bedroom and not like a bonus flex family room space. Well, I mean, it has a closet, so probably bedroom. So it's, and then this must be, all right, primary bedroom, because it's staged. And there's music playing from somewhere. Where's the music coming from? That is such a fun touch. Oh, there's the speaker. I love that. I love that there's music playing. If I had a job staging houses for stuff like this, I would definitely use music to set a tone. Okay. So pro and con for the two houses I've seen, I like that they have the showers. I like that they have the showers with this fun bench to sit on, and they're kind of big, spacious, easy to walk in and out of. I kind of, you know how I feel, I want a bathtub. I want a bathtub. I assume that's probably something you could request. Okay. Nice walk-in closet. Space. I guess you'd this in it. It's functional. All right, so 2 secondary bedrooms, primary, bedroom downstairs, the guest bedroom, and then we've got, okay, second floor toilet. I mean, at least this has a tub. The kids' rooms have to have tubs because, like, small children need baths. Oh, I love a second floor laundry room because I mean, I have to carry my laundry up and down from the second floor to the first floor and back every time I do laundry. So I have definitely been converted to like the convenience of a second floor laundry room. Got a nice linen closet. You always have so many more linens than you think. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is another bedroom. I didn't realize this. So there's one downstairs, one primary, 2 secondary, 3 secondary. This is like 5 bedrooms. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. That explains the price. I was gonna say, because this house does feel smaller than the Clark that I just was at. It looks smaller on the outside and it feels a little tighter on the inside, right? Like it's less grand and spacious, ceilings are lower, like the landing's smaller, but like it's more money. And it's like, oh, because it has more bedrooms. And just like that house, this one appears to have a 3rd floor walk-up attic, unfinished attic space, which kind of also explains the pretty high prices of these houses. They're like in the 700,000 and 800,000s, but it's a lot of space, right? You have a lot of bedrooms already included in the house, and they come with these 3rd floor walk-up attics that you can finish to get even more space. And I like that this walk-up for the 3rd floor attic space is off the landing, because, well, I'm comparing it to the last one, where you have like a bonus / family room that could also turn into another bedroom, and that's where you get to the staircase to get to the 3rd floor walk-up. So like, if you needed it was a bedroom, it would disturb whoever was in there. But this way, like you can go up there without disturbing anyone. I will say, this might make a great, I mean, this could make a good office. This could make a good office. This could make a good, I mean, this is just a lot of space. There's more bedrooms than I think I need. Yeah. It is interesting. I think given the amount of space, they could have also done something similar where they had, to the other house, where they had 2 primary suites. I'm hoping in the future that more houses design with that in mind. when you go to apartments, like if you get a two room apartment, there are plenty of apartments that are designing that way because they know people have roommates, right? And I think with houses, I think people need to have an understanding that like people have, you know, in-laws, people have family, there's like multiple adults in the house, and it's just nice to have multiple like ensuite spaces for everyone instead of like just everybody's living in nuclear families, right? And it's just like this house has the space to also do that. So I just wonder, why not just do that? All right. But this is the Craftsman, and that's I can see why it won gold. I do think this like uses the space very efficiently. There's like no wasted space. Looks great. Nice house. All right. And formal dining room. I'm off to the next place.